tried snaking in here, and there's something caught in the trap. Nice. What is that, a ribeye?
Yeah.
That was a ribeye, huh?
Not ribeye, but very similar.
Can the dog have it? No, don't eat. This flange is super low. I mean, that's really low. That's really bad. I gotta ask him what he wants to do here. Okay, so the guy said just to... This may be enough. I don't know. That might be enough. We'll see. Definitely not high enough. Okay. As you saw, that wax ring is too low. I called the owner into the bathroom and I showed him how low the flange was. I told him, hey, the way you fix this is by using one of these toilet flange extension kit. But I explained to him, I said, look, below you is a crawl space, so you know, if it leaks, it's not going to damage anything really, but you don't want it leaking. I made it clear that you really don't want it leaking. But I said, whoever did it before me double stacked flanged waxes, and I said I can either repair it the right way so you don't have this issue, or I'm happy to double stack it for you. However, I'm not going to warranty it if it leaks. He said, okay, no problem. So I don't like doing this, but there's really not much risk here. And I'm going to write it on the invoice saying that it needed to be, the toilet flange needed to be raised, but by request of the owner, they just wanted me to double stack it with no warranty of the toilet leaking. So that's what we're going to do. Floor's nice and level. This thing's solid. Ask him if he wants to replace that. Those are not from me. I'm gonna clean those up for him. Some pumice. Take some right off. It's right in it. Just a few more, but this stuff works. All right, that's it.